Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on the Nokia X35. And to do this you'll need to open your Google Play Store. Here try to find Microsoft Edge. Now select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch that app, and from here we can start customizing it. So sign in to turn on synchronization, you can skip it. Also you can go for data sharing preferences, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser, and from here start browsing. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.